Don't need to make any apology, Mr. Talib.
Chairs.
He did, on a light note, you didn't apologize for mentioning governors. And I was seated right here. So you need not apologize for MPs.
I have no apology for governors.
And also for MPs, kindly.
I have no apology for governors because that's the reality on the ground. The issue of addressing of conflict of interest arising from members of oversight committees of parliament who are under scrutiny by law enforcement agencies. Let me elaborate on that. Chairs, you appear before a committee either in Senate or in the National Assembly, and when you appear there, out of the, let's say, 14 members, 3 of them have issues with you at the commission. So these people pre-arrange themselves because they know there's parliamentary immunity, and you go there as a very subdued person. And the first question you may be asked, maybe you have been summoned to come and explain about a certain project that is stuck. Then from nowhere, you get a member of parliament. He starts by asking you, how did you buy that building at Integrity Center? It's not in the agenda. Then the other one tells you, but you're being given a lot of money. Where is this money going to? And you can tell very well, this is just vendetta because these guys have got issues with us. They have files with us. Some of them we have taken the files to ODPP, and then you remain helpless because you have to observe the respect and the rules of this parliamentary committee. So we feel, I can see Senator Chereke is, Senator Cheriot is trying to smile about that issue. I think, Chair, we need to have laws whereby when we are summoned by this committee, the commission can write to the clerk of the National Assembly that these committee members, A, B, C, D, we have issues with him here. In a very civilized way, he should be exempted not to appear before that committee. Because we are having a lot of problems and we are not able to talk in the open that we mheshimiwa wako na maneno kwetu. Iko file hata inaenda kwa DPP ama imeenda. So you just stay there as a lame duck. You are being abused, you are being harassed, and you keep quiet. And some of us, we are from the military background. We just say, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, we've kabisa hii tumeona kabisa tutatengeneza. And you leave, but there's a problem. So please, this committee, try to look into that issue because it may be cutting across other agencies, not only EACC. And it becomes a problem. You cannot tell that guy in front of you, in front of the media, that I think you are harassing me because you have a case with us. It will look very disrespectful. But there should be a mechanism where those agencies can write to the clerk of the National Assembly or the Senate that we are appearing on this date, but so-and-so has got an issue with us. We may not elaborate, just say he has an issue with us. So-and-so, kindly, he should be exempted from participating in that forum. That will help us a lot. So that is the last point that we had, and we are requesting the chairs that we present a detailed memorandum since time allocated is very limited. And we once again would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity to present our case. Thank you, sir.
Well, I thank you. We thank you for that presentation indeed.